Hello everyone, and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. This is the retro unboxing of the Motorola C139 on Cingular GoPhone. This is one of the very few Cingular GoPhones I've ever been able to find on eBay, so that's pretty interesting. I imagine they only had these for a couple of years. As you can tell, this looks very similar to the AT&T GoPhone packaging, and that's because this is what Cingular used before they were bought by AT&T. So I will take a look around the box here and then try to open it. It wasn't easy with my last one, and because this here, as you can tell, is perfectly sealed, unlike my last one, I'm going to have a tougher time with this. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started with the front here. So right here is the phone, of course. Send and receive text messages from friends and family, so this supports text messaging, a hallmark feature of this phone. Here are some of the features of this phone here. This is more of a Cingular feature right here, but this is supporting international calling and messaging. This is a GoPhone, of course, so that is prepaid. This is the retail packaging that Cingular used back in 2006. As you can see right here, 0606, so June 2006, so this phone is just over 15 years old. The same stuff here that you saw before about your service, how to pay for it, and here what the cards looked like. On the back here, GoPhone, Cingular, and you might have noticed, raising the bar. That was their final slogan before being bought out by AT&T. Here's the phone again with the screen on. Very pixelated if you can't tell. Here's your plan options. Some more information here, and your fine print just like before. On the bottom is your barcode for scanning. So I will be right back and try to get this open. I don't know how well I'll be able to do with this, but anyways. So a lot of rap rage and a sunset later, because I lost my natural light now, I finally got this open. This was incredibly difficult. As you can see, I had to cut around this tag here. So now I'm going to set the box like this and remove the contents of it. This wants to close here, so just mind that. There's this little plastic cover here. First off, here's the phone. Here's the battery. This battery is dated August 26th, 2006, if I'm reading that right. I can't see a size on here right off in milliamp hours. Here is the Cingular 64K smart chip. The back cover with the Cingular branding, and the charger with the proprietary tip. In here are these documents. This one is for handset exchange and warranty. Activate your GoPhone service, quick start guide, user guide, and the Moto manual. So here are the things that I will need to get this phone powered on. The phone, of course, the battery, the SIM card, and the back cover. So I will start by getting the SIM card into this phone. Pretty easy. like this. The battery, that tape on there is as fresh sounding as it would have been in 2006. It's feeling pretty light, so it might be dead. The back cover. So before removing this one screen protector on here, I will take a look around the phone. Starting with the front, here is your earpiece, Motorola logo, your very small screen. Just to give you an idea, here's my thumb on the screen, very tiny. Here are your menu keys, your directional, so your navigation, your selector, send, end, and your number pad. On the left side is just a headphone jack, 2.5 millimeters. On the bottom is your charge port. On the right side is nothing except a little rubber bumper. On the top is a lanyard strap. On the back here is the Motorola logo, the back cover, and the Cingular logo. So let's take off this screen protector here. Quiet but nice. And let's see if this has any juice. This makes a beeping sound when it turns on, unlike any other Motorola phone I've seen. So that shows you how basic this is. Okay, it looks like it is dead, unfortunately. It looks like I can't get this phone turned on right now, so I will just end the video here. And with that, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.